Hello kids, in this video we will do question number 7 exercise 16.1. Draw a line segment AB of 10 centimeter. Draw a perpendicular bisector of line segment AB. Check the correctness of your construction. Okay, so first I'll explain what is perpendicular bisector. So perpendicular bisector is any line which divide the given line segment into two equal parts and making an angle of 90 degree. Okay, so I'll draw a rough diagram and will explain you. Suppose this is, okay student, one more thing, I'll use marker and sketch pen, because if I'll use pencil you will not be able to see it clearly. So I'll use marker and sketch pen, but remember you have to use only pencil. You cannot use marker or you cannot use sketch pen for constructions. So you have to use only pencil. So suppose this is my rough diagram, and suppose this is line segment, okay, of 10 centimeter. So this is my line segment and measurement of this is 10 centimeter. It's a rough diagram. So what is perpendicular bisector? Perpendicular bisector is a line, suppose this is approximately is a 4, so I'll take somewhere around here. Okay, so it's a line which perpendicular bisector is a line which divides this line segment into two equal parts. Okay, if this is 10, then this will be 5 centimeter and this will be 5 centimeter. Okay, so it will divide this line segment into two equal parts and it will make here an angle of 90 degrees. So this angle will be 90 degrees. So if a line dividing a given line segment into two equal parts and making an angle of 90 degrees, then this is perpendicular bisector. So this is perpendicular bisector. So bisector means it will divide this given line segment into two equal parts, and perpendicular means making angle of 90 degrees. Okay, so now we'll start construction. So I'll take scale and I'll draw a line segment of 10 centimeter. So I'll keep it here and 10 centimeter. So it's like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So till here I have to draw. Okay, so this is your line segment. Remember student, this is line segment, this is not line. So please do not make arrow here. You have to make two end points and name it A and B. AB 10 centimeter and write down this is 10 centimeter. Now after that what I'll do, I'll take compass. Okay, I'm using this sketch pen. You have to use pencil. Okay, so take your compass, extend it in such a way that it is more than 3/4 of this line. It should be more than 3/4 of this line. So take this much. Okay, now keep this pointer here and make two arcs, one upper side, another lower side. Okay, now without changing this measurement, keep this pointer on A. So I'm taking A as a center and cut the previously drawn arc. So cut upper one as well cut the lower one. Okay, now join these 2 points. Okay, and now name this line as line L. You can give any name because it's not given in your question. So I'll name it line L. Now what we have to check. So here also you name it. So I'll name it C. So if I'll take scale and I'll measure. So this was total 10. Now see AC is how much? 5. So this is 5 and this is 5. So what I can say that AC is equal to CB and both are 5 centimeter. Now I'll take protractor. I'll keep this protractor here and I'll see that what angle I'm getting here, 90. So I'm getting this 90. So if you want, you can name it as D. This point you can name E. And what I can say that, see, if I'll keep it here, what I'm getting here, if I'll start from 0, so 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So this is coming 90 means this is 90. And if I'll check this side angle, okay, so as I'm checking this side angle, so I'll start from here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. This is also coming 90. So that I can say angle DCB is equal to angle DCA, angle DCA, and both are 90 degree. Okay, so what I can say that line L, so you can also say that line L is perpendicular on line segment AB. See, thank you.